Okay, so first of all, make sure that you are signed into your account, and in the Student Hub or from the Student Hub, then scroll down to WISER Academic Skills Support, which is here. And from there you can get an introduction to WISER, you can look at the WISER resources, and you can click on this tile on the left, which is for tutorials, workshops and drop-ins. And that takes you to the Study Skills Bookings page, where you can see our list of workshops, the drop-in information, and you can also book a tutorial. Now you can book an online tutorial, or if you're on the Burnley campus, you can click here for Burnley face-to-face tutorials, or if you're on the Preston campus, then you can click here. So if I wanted to book a in-person face-to-face tutorial on the Preston campus, I would scroll down here, and I would then see a selection of upcoming slots, all 25 minutes long. So say I wanted to book a slot, what I would do is I would go down, find a time and a date that suits me. I'll use this as an example. So this one here. And all you do is you click on enroll. And your name will be pre-populated here. So you just need to type in the name of your school. For example, I'm going to put nursing. Whether you're full-time or part-time, the level at which you are studying, and usually you would fill in the information here about what you require from the tutorial. If it's about a review of your work or feedback on writing extract, just click on this button instead, and then save. That tells me that the enrollment was successful, but what you'll then get is an email confirming this. So go to your emails, and within about a minute you'll get an invitation to a tutorial. And this is the kind of information that you will see depending on the type of tutorial that you've booked. And make sure that you accept this invitation by clicking yes, and then it will appear in your Outlook calendar. If it's an online tutorial that you want, then the procedure is almost exactly the same, except from the Study Skills booking page, you click on Online Tutorials. Then you scroll down and find a online tutorial slot that you want. For example, I'll enroll for this one. Again, you would get an email inviting you to that online tutorial. Except on this occasion, you will also get a Teams meeting link. So that will appear here. And when you click yes to accept the invitation to the meeting, it will then appear in your Outlook calendar. So if you go to your Outlook calendar and click on the time and date of that meeting, you will see the Teams meeting link here. And if you were to go back to the Study Skills Booking Hub, you'll see on the right hand side there's a box, and it will tell you your upcoming events, and these are the events that you've enrolled on via the hub. If you decide you do not need the tutorial any longer, you can cancel the enrollment by clicking here. The other way that you can book a tutorial is on a mobile device using the UCLan app. So make sure you've got the app open and go to the Student Hub. Scroll down until you get to WISER Academic Skills Support and click here. So this page tells you more about WISER and our services. Click on the tile that says Tutorials, Workshops and Drop-ins. That takes you to the Study Skills Bookings page. And that gives you lots of more information about what we offer. It tells you that when you enroll, you'll get a notification via email, and you need to accept this. Again, if I wanted a in-person tutorial on the Preston campus, I'd click here. I'd scroll down until I find a slot that suits you, and then you enter your details. The user will be pre-populated with your email address. You choose your school, mode of study, level, and the nature of your inquiry. If it's about review of work, then click the top button. But if it's about something like structuring your essay or some other inquiry that's not about review of work, maybe you want some guidance ahead of an assignment, then type the nature of your inquiry below. Alternatively, you might want an online tutorial, and we offer those too. So again, on the app, scroll down to WISER Academic Skills Support from the hub. Click on Tutorials, Workshops and Drop-ins. Scroll down, and this time choose Online Tutorial, and then the procedure is exactly the same as previously shown. I hope that helps, and we look forward to seeing you.